Please, Africa. Good evening, everyone. This is Alok. I am here to present a presentation on the topic three strengths of America. Why I am saying this? There are many countries have different type of strengths, but USA become a leader of the country because we have three major strengths like innovation, technology, and education. We have to talk about it. Firstly, innovation. First, innovation and technology. Firstly, Silicon Valley. Why I am talking about Silicon Valley? Silicon Valley is one of the major technological hub we can say. Why I am saying this? Because most of the starting business like startups started from here. And the second point is home to global tech giants. Most of the tech giants like Google, Microsoft, YouTube started from USA. Third point, leader of AI and aerospace. Why I'm talking about this? Because you can see a live example. In 1969, the USA became the first to landed at moon. Why? Because they are educated and well education teaches about innovation and technology. The last, a culture that reward skill, or we can say that risk taking. Why I'm saying that risk taking? Because risk is the factor that teaches us innovation, creative, and most of the things. But USA teaches that you have to begin innovation and technology so that you can begin your life. The second strength is about economic strength and enterprise. First point is world's largest economy. With this data, I can say it is the most economic country in the world. Like it consumes 23.7 trillion. And the second point is free market system. Open competition. It says open competition. Why? Because it competes, grow and innovate together so that they many industry can compete together easily. The third point is Wall Street global finance. Wall Street, what it means? It means a many market at a one center that aligns every other industries together. The last, immigrant entrepreneurship. Most of the immigrant entrepreneurship means most of the other entrepreneurs who takes over to other businesses may consist in USA mostly. The third strength is world class education. Because of the economic system, it is not alone. It consists with education. So we can say with like universities, you can get some problem solving educations and top educations about this. There are many universities. I can say 150 plus universities with this report because most of the top universities are there, and of them 150 of are top in Australia, sorry, America. The second is magnet of global talent. It means they take a biodata of all the world, all of the world, and says about all innovation, technologies, and other criteria they give scholarship to other educated people so that they can come to USA and educate well, so that they can become more creative and educated. Third and not last, heavy RD investment. It says that if you are investing in education, it is not worthless. It means you are investing in innovation, technologies, and many of the other things. Like if we talk about games, it also consists innovation and creativeness. Like games like cricket, it also teaches problem solving. Many other things I can talk about, but we have fourth point: strong industry links. Many other links they link toward other worlds to Australia in America so that they can become a linked country so that they can innovate, creative anything easily. Now we have to talk about how a country can become these with these three factors they can achieve these things. Firstly, invest in education and research. I have talked about innovation and education, how it is important for a country to develop. Why I am saying this? Because many other things we see that There is an example about management. Harvard University is one of the biggest university, but it's located in America. Why? Most of the universities are located here because they made it. Second point, encourage free entrepreneurship. Most of the countries breaks that they don't have such money so that they can invest in entrepreneurship. And if they are not sure about it. But America says risk taking is a factor of innovation and technology. If you will not try, you will not get. Third point, build innovation hub. Like innovation hubs are the connection of many projects. Like you can link together and be on one project. The fourth is protect rule of law institution. If laws are not followed in a good manner, it will not become a well-developed country. At this point, I am saying institution. Why? Because it is an important point. Institution helps to educate people. If a people is educated, he will follow the rule. The fifth point is welcome global talent. Most of the industries can take any global tech engineer or any industry can take any other scholars so that they can achieve. But they are saying we only trust money, not people's. Why? Because if you are hiring a skilled people, he will make sure that he can develop your nation. Thank you. This is Alok signing.